Welcome to our channel. We're here to guide you on your journey to financial success. Are you seeking financial freedom? You've landed in the right spot. Prepare yourselves to embark on a wealth-building journey and equip yourself with the right tools and information to manage your wealth. Whether you're an experienced investor or a novice, ours is here for you. So sit back, unwind, and let's navigate the path of financial prosperity together. The key to this journey is setting clear, specific financial goals. Define what success looks like for you. With these clear goals in place, you're already on the way to financial triumph. Let's take that first step together, right here, right now. Do you want to achieve financial freedom? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome to a journey of wealth-building strategies. The first step is setting clear, specific financial goals. Define what success means to you. With clear goals set, you're already on the path to financial success. Once you have your goals, it's time to take control of your finances. Crafting a budget is key. It's like a roadmap guiding you towards financial prosperity. It's about understanding your income and expenses, spotting areas for savings, and ensuring every penny is accounted for. Another crucial step is wiping out high-interest debts, which can often hold you back. Prioritize paying these off to free up more resources for wealth building. With a budget in place and debt under control, you're ready to grow your wealth. Now that you're in control of your finances, it's time to make your money work for you. Let's delve into the world of investing. From stocks to real estate and mutual funds, there's a myriad of options waiting for you. The key is to diversify your portfolio to mitigate risk. But don't stop there. Seek to increase your income, explore new job opportunities, negotiate for a raise, or even start a side hustle. By investing wisely and increasing your income, you're accelerating your journey to wealth. Building wealth isn't just about the present, it's also about securing your future. It's vital to have an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Also, investing in retirement accounts like a 401 or IRA ensures a comfortable future. By planning for the future, you're not just building wealth, you're securing financial freedom. Building wealth takes time, discipline, and smart financial choices. We've navigated through setting clear financial goals, developing a budget, eliminating debt, and making wise investments. We've also explored ways to increase your income and the importance of planning for the future. Each step is a building block towards your financial freedom. Stay consistent, remain patient, and you're on your way to achieving financial freedom. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial success.